In this list, we're diving into the top 10 hottest foods that'll leave your taste buds tingling and your eyes watering. If you're ready for the challenge, let's turn up the heat. At number 10, we're keeping it simple but spicy with the Atomic Burger, coming in at 2,500 to 8,000 Scoville units. This dish takes the classic American burger to another level by adding layers of heat, ghost pepper cheese, fiery hot sauce, and slices of fresh jalapenos. Some versions include a Carolina Reaper sauce for an even more intense experience. Next up at number 9, we have an after-school favorite with a twist. If you were thinking spicy ramen, you'd be correct. Spicy ramen comes in at 4,000 to 8,000 Scoville units. Ramen chains and instant noodle brands like Samyang have created extremely spicy dishes for thrill seekers. The broth often contains chili oil, powder, and paste, and some challenges require consuming it all within a time limit, putting endurance and heat tolerance to the test. Who says seafood can't be spicy? Well, we think spicy seafood has earned a spot on this list. That's why we have the Cajun crawfish boil at number 8 with 350,000 Scoville units. A Louisiana staple. The seasoning blend for these boils includes cayenne, paprika, chili powder, and black pepper, often ramped up for those who crave intense heat. Diners typically eat this one with their hands, so remember not to touch your eyes. In at 7, we're packing in fire and ice with habanero ice cream at 350,000 Scoville units. This dessert blends the sweetness of ice cream with the intense heat of habanero peppers. The heat is surprising but balanced by the creamy texture, making it an adventurous treat for those who love spicy sweet combinations. At number 6, straight from Tennessee, we're giving it to Nashville's hot chicken at 500,000 Scoville units. A southern delicacy, this fried chicken is coated in a spicy paste made with cayenne, paprika, and other spices. It's often served on white bread with pickles to balance the heat, but the intensity of the spice can leave you sweating. Hitting number 5 on our list, we're pulling up with Inferno tacos at 750,000 Scoville units. These tacos are made with fiery hot ingredients like ghost pepper-infused meats and sauces. Many food trucks and Tex-Mex restaurants add additional layers of heat with spicy salsa and jalapenos for a dish that's explosively hot. It's starting to sound scary at number 4 with suicide chicken wings at 1 million Scoville units. A staple of sports bars, these wings often feature sauces made with habanero, ghost peppers, or even Carolina Reaper peppers. Diners are warned about the heat level, though eating them can feel like a rite of passage for spice enthusiasts. Number 3 is no newcomer to spice challenges. We're giving this one to ghost pepper chips at 1 million Scoville units. Brands like Paqui have popularized ghost pepper chips, known for their extreme heat. The one-chip challenge involves eating a single chip coated with ghost pepper and scorpion pepper dust, often leaving participants scrambling for water. In the runner-up position, and sure to make The Office's Kevin Malone smile, we have Reaper chili at 2 million Scoville units. This twist on traditional chili incorporates Carolina Reaper peppers into the recipe. The result is a bowl of chili that not only warms you up but challenges your spice tolerance with every bite. A strong contender for any potluck. Just make sure you don't spill it. And finally, as our number 1 pick, and certainly no stranger to spicy challenges everywhere, and a longtime fan favorite of spicy food aficionados, the Carolina Reaper wing at 2.2 million Scoville units. These wings use sauces featuring the Carolina Reaper pepper, which holds the Guinness World Record for being the hottest chili. Do you think you can handle the heat of the Carolina Reaper pepper? Thanks for joining us on this spicy journey. From the mildly fiery to the absolutely blazing, these dishes prove that the US knows how to bring the heat. Which one are you daring enough to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mouthwatering content. See you next time.